Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That'll really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 62. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And for this column, we're missing a 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 3. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 2, 6. That 7 makes this our 8, 7, 8, 7, 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 9, that 9, hold on. We're missing 2 and 3, so 3, 2. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We're also missing 3 and 9 here, so we can just plug them in. So if this is our 3, that makes this our 9, 3, and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.